What's the anatomy of a smart connected product? Let's talk about that next. So here at Lifecycle Insights, we talk a lot about this transition from traditional mechanical products to smart connected products. And interestingly, how a lot of mechanical engineers are being asked to take on a lot of new responsibilities with electrical systems, electronics, and more in the design of those new offerings. So what exactly is involved with smart connected products? Well, let's talk through that. So first off, typically with a smart connected product, you always have an embedded system. An embedded system is basically the combination of a board system, circuit boards, with either kind of general off-the-shelf processors or custom processors and some embedded software. And this provides some control over the rest of the product. It kind of is the brain of the product. Next, you have antennas. So basically that connects the embedded system and other ECUs, mini computers on the product, with the Internet of Things. And that's how you get the connected aspect of the product. This communicates a lot of data back and forth. Sometimes it even gets instructions from an IoT platform. Next up, you have sensors. These kind of act as the eyes and ears or the senses of the product. It allows it to do things like measure the temperature. Vision sensors can tell if something has run up next to it. And there are all sorts of other sensors involved. Next up, you have actuated components. These actuated components actually allow the smart connected product to provide some control over its own operating environment and its own operation. Finally, we have traditional mechanical hardware. So these are the non-actuated components, maybe like the case or the covering, wheels, gears, and things like that. So that is the kind of anatomy of a smart connected product, and as mechanical engineers are asked to take on the design and development of all these new capabilities, they have to have new tools to do that. As a matter of fact, that's the subject of a webinar we've recently conducted with Siemens PLM to talk about how mechanical engineers can kind of make the transition and specifically what tools and capabilities they need to be successful. That's it. Take care and talk soon.